This is the cheapest bunkhouse for a large family. This brand new 2024 28 D-Bud can sleep up to 10 people, and she's just under 30 feet and under 6,500 pounds. This might be a budget camper, but we still got some fantastic outdoor amenities. Really nice flat top griddle here, 2 outdoor speakers. We got a TV hookup, and this is all underneath our nice big underlit awning. Let's get inside this, John. And wowie zowie, we got a nice big wide open floor plan here. Pretty bare bones in here, but that does offer a lot of room for customization. We're gonna start off in the very back of the camper. We got double over double bunks here. On the older models, the corners were cut about here. You'd lose that much of your mattress to walking space. They decided to add that back on. The top one is cut a little bit, but it's still a lot more space than you would normally have. We got plenty of storage space underneath that bad boy. And then each bunk has a couple of its own USB ports and a pop light. Bathroom is nice and simple. We got a foot flush down here and a walk-in shower with a skylight. And then our bathroom sink is actually outside the bathroom door. We got a separate vanity area out here. This model does come equipped with the Versa Lounge. This thing is capable of a lot of different seating arrangements and sleeping arrangements. Come dinner time, you're gonna want a lot more booth room here, so you can switch this to be a U-shaped dinette. Boom, now you got a lot more room for the whole family here. If it's sleepy time and you're ready for the slumber party, this can all be switched into sleeping. Boom, and now you can fit however many you can jam onto this monstrosity of a bed. Kitchen area houses a 3-burner gas stovetop, little oven, microwave above that. We got a refrigerator with the Trevlock built in. Countertop space is alright, nothing to rave about. Undermount sink with a detachable faucet. Very front of our living area, we have our mirrored electric fireplace, Furrion soundbar, and then you can set up your TV above that. Finally, coming into the bedroom in the front here, we got the VersaTilt king bed. With the flip of this switch, you can simply fold that out. Wowie zowie, now we got a full-size king bed here. Little hamper area. And we got the old CPAP cubby hole in there that everybody loves so much. And I can't tour a Wildwood without mentioning ridiculous amount of storage everywhere. We got plenty more under here. 3 big old storage bins. More bins underneath the dinette seating. For Wildwood, this is actually a pretty good pass-through size as well. If you got any questions on this budget-friendly camper, give me a call. The phone is in the bio.